Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a font in all pages of your Canva Pro design with just one click. This is an incredible time-saving feature that ensures your entire project looks consistent and professional. First, open your Canva project and head to any text box within your design. Click on the text you want to update. This step tells Canva which element you're targeting. Once selected, look up at the toolbar above your design. You'll see the current font name displayed there. Click on that name and Canva will reveal all the available font options for you to browse. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find a font that matches your project's style. Whether you want something bold, elegant, or minimalist, Canva's library has plenty of options to choose from. After picking the font you like, you'll notice a small dialog box appear with an option that says Change All. This is the magic button. Clicking it instantly applies your new font choice to every instance of that font across your entire project. And just like that, all your pages now share the same cohesive text style. This feature is especially powerful for presentations, reports, and multi-page documents where consistency really matters. By using this one-click method, you not only save time, but also make sure your project maintains a polished, professional look from start to finish. That's all there is to it. Select your text, choose your font, and hit Change All. Your Canva Pro workflow just got a whole lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.